Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down, click on Font Size, and operate this slider in order to adjust it. You can check out Preview above. When you're done, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!